Jai Hind, children. Welcome back to your maths class. Today we will do our new topic, circle. We will now study about a shape which is a circle. So in your previous class, you have already learned how to make circle with the help of bangles or with the help of a 5 rupee coin or with any special type of thing which is in shape of circle. But in this class, we will learn how to make a circle with the help of compass. So children, you are already aware what is compass and you all must be having compass with you. So first thing that you have to do is that you have to fix a sharpened pencil in the compass. Open the compass to any length and mark a point. So this is mark a point. So this is your plain page. Take your plain page of your notebook. Mark a point O. So suppose I have marked it here point O and I have given this point O. Now what you have to do, you have already opened the compass to a suitable length. What you will do, you can see that your one end, you have two end of compass, which is one end is of your metal and another is of your sharpened pencil which you have fixed in the compass. What you have to do is you will put the compass metal end at the point O. Then and also let the pencil touch your paper, touch the paper. Then slowly move the pencil around, keeping the metal point fixed at the point O. You don't have to move metal point which is on point O, at point O. चिल्ड्रन मैं इसे हिंदी में भी समझा देती हूँ आपको कैसे करना है. आपको कंपास लेना और उसको पेंसिल, शार्पन पेंसिल कंपास में आप देख सकते हो फिट करने का है, उसमें आप शार्पन पेंसिल फिट कर दो. देन आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू mark a point on the page. Suppose you have marked a point and given it name O. उसके बाद आपको क्या करना है, जो मेटल एंड है उसको पॉइंट पे फिक्स करके और पेंसिल को भी टच करना है पेपर से. देन यू हैव टू मूव इट स्लोली अराउंड द पेपर. आप धीरे धीरे उसे मूव करो, अदरवाइज क्या होगा, आपका जो कंपास है उसका लेंथ थोड़ा सा और ओपन हो जाएगा और फिर आपका सर्कल जो मेजरमेंट आपने शुरू में लिया है वो गलत हो जाएगा. तो आपको उसको ध्यान से करना है और उसको फिर keep the metal point fixed at the point O. उसको मूव नहीं करना है and then you will make round, उसको घुमा के move the pencil around and make the circle. Like this you will make the circle. So you can see that you have made circle. Now, and you have given the center name as O. Now this is center of the circle. Now we will learn different terms which are related to different terms which are related to a circle. So you can see point O which is in center, जो बीच में है. That's why we call it center of the circle. तो ये जो point O है इसको हम इसी वजह से center बोलते हैं of the circle. ये क्या हो गया आपका? It is center. So O is called center of the circle. Now there are few more terms which are related to a circle. When you join, when you mark any point, not join, when you mark any point on the circle, for example, I am marking it here on circle, beta, circle pe hi mark karna hai. For example, I have marked it here, and with the help of scale, when you join it, the center and the point which you have marked on the circle, जो आपने सर्कल पे मार्क करा है उसको और सेंटर को जब आप ज्वाइन करोगे, when you will join it, this length, जो ये पॉइंट आपने ज्वाइन करा सेंटर O से, let's give it name, let's give it name D. तो ये जो OD है, length OD, what is it? It is called the radius of the circle. So the length of OD, जो OD का length है, वो आपका radius of the circle होता है, circle का radius होता है. The length OD, the length of OD is called the radius. इसे क्या बोलते हैं? Radius. किसका? Of a circle. Of that particular circle. Of the circle. जिसके जो भी आप सर्कल की बात कर रहे हो, उस पॉइंट O है center and AOD, length of OD is radius of the circle. Now when you make another point, which is going through O only, you have made another point through O only, and then you join the line, this length, let's give it name E. So the length DE is diameter of the circle. तो ये जो length DE हो जाएगा, जो O से ही, उसका center क्या O से ही होकर जा रहा है, this length is diameter. The length of a line segment through O, which ends at the circle, जो circle पे ही end हो रही है, the point is on the circle only, which ends at the circle, is called, उसको क्या बोलते हैं? We call it as diameter. Is called diameter of circle. Diameter of the circle. So we have learned three terms. Center, what is center? What is radius? What is diameter? So children, you can see that radius is half of diameter. Yes, ये आधा है. OD is half of diameter. D is your diameter. Or you can say, in the other words, you can say that diameter is twice of radius. Diameter क्या है? वो double है, twice है radius का. Now, if you mark, or if you make any line segment having its end point on the circle only, जिसका end point circle पे ही हो, and it doesn't go through O, that is called as chord of the circle. तो ये जो आप ये देख सकते हो, you can see this length, ये line segment है, whose both end point is on the circle only, जिसका दोनों end point circle पर ही है. Let's give it name. For example, let's give it YZ. So it is YZ is what? YZ is what? is chord of the circle. So, the name of circle is, we are talking about circle O, because we can name a circle with its center. That's why I'm saying it circle O. Its radius is OD. Its diameter is DE, which is double of radius, which is twice of radius. Its chord is YZ. Chord means whose both end points, it is a line segment whose end point is on the circle only. So this is chord. I hope it is clear to you, children. I'm writing definition of chord here. Any length. It could be any length. Any line segment having its endpoint, but its endpoint should on the circle only. Having its endpoint on the circle is called chord of the circle. I hope class this is clear to you. What is circle? What are the different terms related to a circle? We have learned about center. We have learned radius. We have learned about diameter and chord. So radius is half of diameter. When you make any point on the circle and join it with center of the circle, it forms radius. And when you make another point or the length of a line segment through O, which ends at the circle, is called diameter. आपने उसी को आगे join कर दिया, which is diameter. So children, when you make a point here, suppose I have made it here, point A, and when you join it with center O, again, what is it? ये क्या है? What is it? It is radius only. ये radius ही है. This one is radius only, which is in, let me color it with different color. I'm coloring it with, okay, let's take purple. So जी purple से आपको दिख रहा है, again OA is radius only. Thank you class.